Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm back with another video. Excuse the shaking, but I'm just pissed off. Okay, I came to this place in Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, at this McDonald's right here. Okay, and there's all black people that work in there, even the black manager. You know what I mean? So I thought that'd be the last place I get treated bad. But let me show you what they served me. I asked for McNuggets. Asked for McNuggets. 10 McNuggets. Get two of them. Get two McNuggets. And asked for two for $5. So I got that special. And I asked them to make it well done. So let me show you what they did. Yep. Let me show you. Alright. I asked for well done. They gave me well done. But they also gave me this. They also gave me this too. Look at this. See how much grease that is? Look at that. Look how greasy my hands is. Look at this. Grease. Each one of them. Look at that one. Look at that. Ooh, baby, don't stop, huh? Look at that. Yep. Yep. Look at that. Grease. Look at that. Grease. They didn't fry them or nothing. Look at that. So, yeah. Look at that. Grease. Nice and greasy, huh? Haha. Yep. Yep, YouTube. My black people just treated me bad. Look how much grease is in these chicken McNuggets. Yep. Alabama, Mobile, Alabama. Greasy. They just treating me real greasy. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. That ain't nothing but damn grease. You see that? Grease. So, yeah. This I gotta take them back because they hooked me up real good. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, because you see all that grease. Let's grab another one. Let's grab another one. Check this out. See that grease? Look at that. Yep. Yep. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So, all right, YouTube. Thank you for watching. You see my greasy, yeah, chicken McNuggets from that McDonald's right there. That's the phone number, Montgomery, Alabama. All right. So, do you see the date? The date that I got them was today. So, yeah. That's my receipt. So I'll find out the name. You see how much grease it is? Yeah, it's terrible. It's terrible. How your people treat you some kind of bad. Yep. But hey, that's what they do. So, all right. Thank you for watching, YouTube. Again, like, subscribe, and comment, because I'm gonna be putting some more up here because it doesn't make no sense. It really don't. See how much grease? See how much grease is on my hand? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, YouTube. Talk to you later.